The Faroe Islands emerge from the mist, a rugged archipelago standing defiant against the North Atlantic. Golden light spills over dramatic cliffs, illuminating the sheer vertical drops that plunge into the sea. Waves crash with rhythmic power, carving ancient patterns into the dark volcanic rock of the coast. A drone glides over emerald slopes, where thousands of sheep graze in peaceful, windswept isolation. Winding mountain roads snake through the valleys, connecting remote hamlets to the vast, open world. Colorful villages nestle in the fjords, their bright paint contrasting against the deep, moody blues. Traditional grass roof houses blend seamlessly into the earth, a testament to generations of island wisdom. In the harbor, fishing boats bob gently, their hulls weathered by years of salt and storm. The air is thick with the scent of brine, a constant reminder of the ocean's influence. Local fishermen mend their nets with steady hands, eyes reflecting the wisdom of the deep sea. Life here moves at the pace of the tides, dictated by the unpredictable whims of nature. A storm gathers on the horizon, turning the sky into a canvas of charcoal and steel. Rain sweeps across the landscape, turning waterfalls into silver ribbons, cascading down the jagged mountains. Inside a warm cottage, the glow of a hearth provides sanctuary from the howling winds outside. An elder shares stories of the ancestors, voices carrying the weight of history and ancient myths. The resilience of the islanders is etched into their faces, shaped by the harsh, beautiful environment. As the storm passes, a rainbow arches over the village, signaling a brief, ethereal moment of calm. The North Atlantic settles into a glassy sheen, reflecting the soft hues of a fading sunset. Birds take flight from the cliffs, their cries echoing through the silence of the vast landscape. The isolation is not a burden, but a profound connection to the raw, untamed earth itself. Every path leads to a new discovery, a hidden cove, or a vista that defies description. The Faroe Islands remain a sanctuary for the soul, a place where time seems to pause. As night falls, the stars emerge, brilliant and clear above the dark silhouette of the peaks. The lighthouse beam sweeps across the water, a guiding pulse in the heart of the ocean. This is the edge of Europe, a frontier where humanity exists in harmony with the wild. The orchestral music swells, mirroring the grandeur of the cliffs and the depth of the sea. Each frame captures the essence of a land that refuses to be tamed or fully understood. The beauty of the Faroes is found in the details. The moss on stone, the salt spray. It is a landscape of extremes, where every season brings a transformation of color and light. The spirit of the islanders is as enduring as the basalt columns rising from the surf. They live with the rhythm of the seasons, respecting the power that sustains their small world. A lone hiker stands on a ridge, dwarfed by the sheer scale of the surrounding geological wonders. The wind whispers secrets of the past, carried across the moors and through the narrow passes. Small, hardy flowers bloom in the crevices, defying the cold with their vibrant, delicate petals. The fishing community thrives, bound by tradition and the shared bounty of the cold, clear waters. Their daily labor is a dance with the elements, performed with quiet grace and immense skill. The drone captures the perspective of a seabird, soaring high above the churning, white-capped waves. Sunlight breaks through the clouds, illuminating the lush green grass in a display of brilliance. The architecture of the villages is humble, designed to withstand the fury of the winter gales. Every home tells a story of survival, of hearths kept warm and families kept together. The silence of the mountains is profound, broken only by the bleating of distant, wandering sheep. Waterfalls tumble into the abyss, their roar muffled by the vastness of the surrounding valley. The horizon is infinite, a line where the dark ocean meets the endless, shifting northern sky. In the twilight, the islands take on a mystical quality, shrouded in layers of rolling fog. The connection to nature is visceral, felt in the lungs with every breath of crisp air. History is written in the stone, in the ancient cairns that mark the paths of travelers. The Faroe Islands are a testament to the beauty of living on the edge of existence. Here, the modern world feels distant, replaced by the fundamental truths of land and sea. The community gathers for a meal, sharing laughter that warms the room against the cold. Their hospitality is as legendary as the tales of the sea monsters lurking in the deep. The camera pans across the rugged coastline, capturing the raw, unpolished majesty of the cliffs. The golden hour casts long shadows, adding depth and drama to the already imposing terrain. Each shot is a painting, composed by nature and framed by the lens of the observer. The Faroe Islands invite us to slow down, to observe, and to appreciate the wild. As the final light fades, the islands settle into a peaceful, dark slumber under the stars. The legacy of this place continues, passed down through stories and the enduring stone walls. The ocean continues its eternal work, shaping the future of these islands with every tide. We leave with a sense of wonder, carrying the image of the cliffs in our hearts. The journey ends where it began, at the edge of the world, looking out toward infinity. The Faroe Islands, a timeless masterpiece carved by the elements, remain forever wild and free.